Hi guys, so I have something incredibly special to share with you today. I've been granted a special peek inside the Chairman's Suite at the Palazzo at the Venetian Resort Las Vegas. It's one of the first resorts I fell in love with back in my teens before moving to America. It's one of those magical places when you step inside, it's pure escapism. And this whole suite is kind of the true epitome of escapism and just luxury and beauty. So let's take a peek inside and see how Vegas does it bigger and better. As soon as you come in, you're met in this beautiful foyer with its light fixtures, with the guest bathroom if you're having parties in here, and the closet. So this giant fabulous space is the grand salon. As soon as you come in the entry, you have the hallway, then you have this amazing living area with its grand piano, with its TVs on both sides, with the fireplace. But let me give you the full tour. I'm gonna save my favorite bit till last and you'll see why. But the grand piano, which also has music just so you can kind of let it play if you're not a pianist. Then we have the cinema. If you feel like chilling out or watching the game on the big day, look at this hallway, how fantastic. You have your own little butler's pantry, kitchen, if you want to get a chef in to cook for you. We have, if you feel like working off all of your Vegas food, you have the gym and the sauna and the steam room. How fantastic. On the other side, we have bedroom. You have a spa room if you want to order in a massage therapist. And you have one of the master bedrooms. Going into your closet area, which I've totally taken over and made my own. Beautiful area to get ready in, and then coming into the bathroom. So in case you fancy having your hair done, you even have your own little station here where you can call in the hairdresser to do your hair for you. And then this is the master bathroom. Beautiful detailings on the floor. You have the restroom on both sides. Dual counter, that beautiful tub, the jet tub, and the giant shower. Let's take a look at the rest. Is the second master bedroom. And they have beautiful strip views besides all of these beautiful comforts. These doors open out onto your own private balcony with its own pool and jacuzzi. In case your husband's waiting for you, which mine normally is. And then this is the other master bath, again with this whole kind of in-room salon area, and then the beautiful marble bathroom with its giant oversized jacuzzi tub and a giant shower. And I said I'd save the best till last. This is the incredible and stunning private terrace that's part of the Chairman's Suite with its own private pool, jacuzzi, and then all the way at the end here is just a beautiful deck, whether you're going to lounge in the sun, whether you're going to sip on cocktails and just enjoy the strip view.